GrapheneOS versus LineageOS. Which Android OS is better? Choosing the right operating system can completely change how you secure your device without sacrificing usability. Both options offer unique benefits tailored to different user needs. GrapheneOS and LineageOS are two popular Android operating systems, each designed with distinct philosophies. GrapheneOS focuses on security and privacy, while LineageOS emphasizes customization and user experience. Understanding these core differences is essential for making an informed choice. GrapheneOS is an open-source operating system based on Android, designed specifically for enhanced security and privacy. It operates with a minimalistic approach, providing a hardened environment that protects against various threats. GrapheneOS utilizes advanced security features including sandboxing for apps, strong encryption, and regular security updates, making it ideal for users who prioritize data protection. However, its focus on security means it may lack some of the customization options found in other operating systems, which can be a limitation for users seeking a more personalized experience. The ideal user for GrapheneOS is someone who values privacy and is willing to sacrifice some level of user interface customization for the sake of enhanced security. LineageOS is a free and open source operating system based on the Android platform, known for its extensive customization options and user-friendly interface. It offers a wide range of features, including various themes, icon packs, and advanced settings that allow users to tailor their devices to their preferences. LineageOS supports a broad range of devices, making it accessible for many users. While it provides a more flexible user experience, its security features may not be as robust as those of GrapheneOS. This could be a concern for users who prioritize data security. The ideal user for LineageOS is someone who enjoys customizing their device and prefers a balance between functionality and personalization. When comparing GrapheneOS and LineageOS, consider your primary needs. GrapheneOS excels in security, making it suitable for individuals who handle sensitive information or are concerned about privacy. Its strict security measures ensure that apps operate in isolated environments, reducing the risk of vulnerabilities. On the other hand, LineageOS shines in customization, allowing users to personalize their experience extensively. If you enjoy tweaking settings and themes, LineageOS is likely the better choice. However, this flexibility comes with a trade-off in terms of security. For users who need a secure environment, GrapheneOS is the clear winner, while those seeking a customizable and user-friendly interface may prefer LineageOS. For users prioritizing security and privacy, GrapheneOS is the recommended choice, providing robust protection for sensitive data. If customization and a user-friendly experience are your priorities, LineageOS is the way to go. Ultimately, your choice should reflect your specific needs and how you use your device. Choose wisely to enhance your Android experience.